How to save your bookmarks inside Brave browser. So this is Brave, you can see it here about Brave. Okay, so first of all, let's go back. These will be saved, exported. You can show this bar by pressing Ctrl+Shift+B on the keyboard. Ctrl+Shift+B again to show it. So right click on that bar on an empty area, go to Bookmark Manager. We are on the Bookmarks page and come here to the three dots in the corner and export bookmarks and place it, let's see, onto the desktop. It gives you only the option of HTML and click on the save button. Okay, if we go back, it returns to that blank page. I can even, let's say, delete these. I'm pressing simply D to delete them. That's the hotkey. I'm deleting everything, so now it is completely empty. You can import it from here, import bookmarks now, from another browser if you want, or an HTML file. Choose the file, it's there on the desktop, that HTML file, open it, show bookmarks, you can open it and close it from there, and done. And everything was restored. So let's try it once again. I'm going to delete a few of these, all of them. Let's even close it. Open Brave browser once again. We can do it from right clicking on this bookmarks bar, Bookmark Manager. You can do it from there also. You can come here to the three dots from where we saved it, and this time import bookmarks. That one, open. And they are all there, they were restored.